How to increase iPhone touch sensitivity. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down, navigate to the option Accessibility. Here, you're gonna find different section. Under Physical and Motor, you're gonna find the option of Touch. Click on that. Now head over to the option Touch Accommodations. Disable for all these options given over here. Touch Accommodations, Hold Duration, Ignore Repeat. Likewise, set Tap Assistance to off. If you're using a screen protector or gloves, you might also want to enable haptic touch and reduce the touch duration. To do this, you'll need to head back. Now enable for the option haptic touch. You can set it to fast or default. These settings can significantly improve how responsive your iPhone feels, especially if you have noticed lagged or delays in touch response. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.